Factorization type 1, we're looking for common factors. So here we have a 7x minus 7 times 3y. Now we have a 7 as a common factor, so we write 7, then insert a bracket, x minus 3y. 4y times 1, 16y squared can be written as 4y times 4y. Now 4y is a common factor, insert brackets of 1 minus 4y. Here we have x squared. To make the denominator to be 6, we times the top and bottom by 2. Then we have xy over 6. Now x over 6 is a common factor. Then we left with 2x. Then we just left with y here. Here we just got x as a common factor. So we have 3y plus x minus 2. Difference of two squares. So number 1, basically x minus y times x plus y. First we rewrite this as 2x all squared, 3y all squared. Now we do the difference of two squares, that will be 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y. 2 is a common factor, so we pull 2 outside. So we have x squared minus 25. Now we use difference of two squares. So it's x plus 5 times x minus 5. X is a common factor, so it's y squared minus 9x squared. Now difference of two squares, so it's y minus 3x times y plus 3x. Here we're looking for factors of 12 add up to minus 7. So they are minus 3 times minus 4. So we have x minus 3 times x minus 4. Factors of minus 5 add up to plus 4. So 5 times minus 1. So we have y plus 5 times y minus 1. Factors of 24 add up to minus 10 are minus 4 times minus 6. So t minus 4 times t minus 6. Factors of 12 add up to minus 1 are minus 4 times plus 3. So here p minus 4 times p plus 3. Then we have a type 4. So here A is 2, B is 9, C is 4, and we rework out A times C, which is 8. So the factors of 8 add up to 9 are 8 times 1. Now we split this 9x into two parts. So we get 2x squared. Instead of 9x, we write 8x plus 1x plus 4. Then we look for a common factor here, which is 2x. So we have x plus 4 inside the bracket. This is common factor, they're just 1, so it's x plus 4. Then we have x plus 4 is a common factor. Then 2x plus 1 from here. So x plus 4 times 2x plus 1. A is equal to 4, C is 9, so AC equal to 36. Factors of 36 add up to 12 are 6 times 6. So we write 4y squared plus 6y plus 6y plus 9. Now the common factor here is 2y, so 2y plus 3 in the bracket. Common factor here is 3, so we get 2y plus 3. Then we have a 2y plus 3 as a common factor times 2y plus 3. So this is equal to 2y plus 3 times the same thing, so we can just put it square. 8 times c is minus 120. Two numbers, when we multiply, answer is minus 120, they add up to minus 7, and minus 15 times 8. Now we write 6t squared. Instead of minus 7, we write minus 15t plus 8t minus 20. So the common factor here is 3t. So we have a 2t minus 5 in the bracket. Here 4 is a common factor, so 2t minus 5 in the bracket. So we have 2t minus 5 then times 3t plus 4. First we write this minus sign outside, we write 12x squared minus 13x plus 3. Now 8 times c is equal to 36, and 36 two factors add up to minus 13, where minus 9 times minus 4. So we ignore this minus sign for the time being, so we have 12x squared, split that into two parts, 9x minus 4x plus 3. So 3x is a common factor, so we have a 4x minus 3. Here minus 1 is a common factor, so write 4x minus 3 in the bracket. Then we have 4x minus 3 times 3x minus 1. 4x minus 3 times 3x minus 1. Then insert the minus sign in the front. Now try this exercise yourself. When you've done it, then watch the clip. Number 1, 3x is a common factor, so 3x minus 4 in the bracket. Difference of two squares, so it's 3x minus 5y times 3x plus 5y. Factors of minus 15 add up to minus 2 are minus 5 and plus 3. AC is equal to 24. Factors of 24 add up to 11 are 8 times 3. So we write 8x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 3. So we have 8x is a common factor. So we have x plus 1. 3 is a common factor, so it's x plus 1. So this is equal to x plus 1 times 8x plus 3. Just do one more example, say 5x squared plus 13x minus 6. First we have 8 times c, which is the minus 30. Now factors of minus 30 add up to 13 are plus 15 times minus 2. So we split 13x into two parts, 15x and minus 2x. Then we have a 5x is a common factor. So we're left with 3x. So x times, so plus 3. Then here we have a minus 2 as a common factor. Inside the bracket we have x plus 3. Then this is a common factor, so we have x plus 3 times 5x minus 2.